Hey YouTubers, got a quick and easy maintenance tip for you. Modern automotive air conditioners have a cabin filter that traps debris and helps reduce odors, and these things need to be replaced periodically. It's a good idea to replace them probably every year and a half, 2 years at the most. More frequent if you live on dusty roads or live in a place with a lot of pollen. I'm going to walk you through replacing it on a 2016 Accord and 2018 Honda Ridgeline. I think the same instructions are going to apply to most Honda vehicles. Both of these vehicles take the same air filter. Okay, so my first tip is when you put a new air filter in, is to write the date on the air filter. This is the one that came out of my Ridgeline, and you'll see that it was definitely due for changing. If you look between the pleats here, you'll see a lot of debris that this filter trapped and kept from blowing through the cabin of the truck. So when you get a new filter, before you install it, write the date on it. Also, you'll notice there's a direction for the air to flow. When you take your old filter out, make sure you make note of which way this goes and install the new in the same way. Another tip is to buy these in a 2-pack. Now, you can save a little bit of money this way, and you can either keep one and install one, keep the other for later. Each filter is sealed in a plastic bag inside this box, so they'll keep for a long time. Or if you're fortunate and you have 2 Honda vehicles like I do, I put one in the Honda Ridgeline, the other in the Honda Accord. Now, I do buy genuine Honda OEM engine air filters, but you can definitely save some money buying a generic brand cabin air filter. On the Ridgeline, we open the glove box, squeeze in on the sides to release the tabs. Here's your tab. There's one here and one here. And on the Ridgeline, that black plastic piece is actually a drawer. So we're going to reach in and push the tab in on each end. There's a little tab here and another tab on this side. We're going to squeeze those tabs together and pull it towards us. And there's a drawer with the air filter installed. Now, you make sure the airflow is going downward, same thing on the Accord, and you install this. There's a little trick to this one though. There are tabs at the back of this drawer. Let me remove this air filter. Okay. The trick to this one is you see this tab that runs across here. This is the back of the drawer, and there's another tab that runs across the front of the drawer. Those engage with the air filter. If you install the air filter properly, pointing down, I'm going to turn it upside down and show you the bottom. You see how this is hanging over the edge here, this last piece, the last accordion fold? Well, that tab I showed you earlier goes in this slot right here. Same thing on the front of the drawer. So we've got the drawer here. And we're going to set this down, arrows pointing down, and you'll need to push in to get that last little accordion fold in. There we go. And then it goes into place. So what we're doing is we're putting that tab that's inside the drawer inside that last accordion fold on both ends. So we've got it in there. Now it's simply a matter of sliding the drawer back in until it clicks. And that's it. Close the glove box and we're done. Okay, so this is the 2016 Accord. To install the cabin air filter, you simply open the glove box, and you'll see there's a small tab here on each side of the glove box. And you push inward on those tabs There we go. That's a little snug. May take both hands here. Bear with me a second. There we go. Till you get that down. And you see this door in the back, that black door right there? You squeeze in on tabs on each end, and that door comes completely out, and you see the end of the air filter. And you simply slide the air filter out of its compartment, slide in the replacement, click the door back into place, and then push the tabs in on your glove box. Close your glove box and you're done.